Good morning, Chuck and Paige here in Bangkok, Thailand. Yes, we're at the airport in Bangkok. Was too tired to carry everything and try to hold the camera at the same time. I know this is chaos, but it's home. You happy? Look at that food everywhere over here, easy. So we're right next to, we're almost there. We had an awesome time, didn't we, in Japan? Being in Bangkok is so different, but glad to be home, happy to be home. So the place that we stayed at, that Narita town is really cool. If you guys are in Japan and flying out of that airport, definitely worth it to have a long little layover or an overnight stay. But the hostel was good. The place was really modern. We are here at it's called Narita Sando Guest House. And they have a locker that you can put your stuff in and leave it. They have a strict check-in time at 4 o'clock, but that's okay. There's a lot of stuff to walk around and see. This is a quiet little town that I searched online and found this little town close to the airport. It's supposed to be a quiet little town with walking streets and markets and a lot of little places to eat. Something out of the city and a little closer to the airport for our 2 day. The beds were a little bit hard and the pillow was a little hard, but other than that, all the walking, it really doesn't matter. So we drinking coffee. Yeah, I had a McDonald's coffee this morning. So we had a good flight leaving Japan. Bye, Japan. Hello, Bangkok. Oh no. So we caught the train headed to the airport early, and we had a good flight leaving Japan. Plane was delayed a little bit. There's a lot of stuff happening in Japan right now. Glad to get out of there and get back to Thailand. So when we get to Thailand, it is so different and chaotic, you know. Bangkok. Everything in Japan is so orderly fashion. But I don't know. I love Thailand still. I can do a whole big comparison of the two, but you know, it just depends on what you want, really. But anyway, glad to be home. We're gonna get back to Top Phnom, and I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown, like I promised you, on what we spent here or there in Japan, what it cost us on that little adventure. So yeah, let's get home. Well, we are home here in Top Phnom. 3 days ago, there was water on the streets. Of course, I always miss the drama, which is good. Enough drama happened in Japan that we were thankfully missed, but the water's still high. They had to open up the floodgates in Laos, so the water got really high, but they added a couple more pumps on the drainage and got it all down before we got home. So it's hot. Trying to find some food right now. We're hungry. It's after lunch. So when we got home today, guess who showed up? Klaus and Thun. Crazy Thun. Yeah, so what do you guys want to eat? Are y'all thinking here?
You can eat the table.
Eat a table? We're looking for food.
Can eat the table?
So we're gonna just chat, have some Isan food that I've been missing, maybe coconut water, and talk about our next adventure. In a minute, I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown of what I spent in Japan. Yeah, got a lot of stuff happening. Tomorrow's my birthday party. I gotta make my own cake though. Okay, choke me, choke me. We're at our favorite place. Giggle, say hello.
อะไรก็แพงซื้อ
Hello. You want a ฝรั่งมีแฟนฝรั่งไหม
ไม่มีอยากมีอยากมี
อยากมี Okay. อยากมี They both wantฝรั่ง boyfriend. So okay. Money 3 คน Okay. Yay.
Can do 50 different
เอาแค่เอากันเลยเป็นยัง
ลาบไก่ลาบหมู That's not. Oh, ลาบปลา
เอาแค่เปิดเลย
And that is
เอาแค่เปิด
ข้าวผัดหมู So fried rice, pork, minced fish, and minced chicken. Yes. Good, very good. And you guys know to come see Tua Nui, come see Pinos at Tua Nui's when you come to Tháp Phnom.
เขามากินผักกระยาย
jump on top. Start to like go home and eat.
Som Tam Lao. Can you smell it?
เมนประเด็ดเมนเซมหอยนองเช้าเลย
Yeah. Well, that was a fun lunch. I'm full now. Glad to have Isan food and Leo. I took about a 2-hour nap. Yeah. Oh, Mama. Say hi to Mama. Mama's happy to see us. Hello. Mama. Fan club kitten. Yeah. I say you guys missed her. So tomorrow we're going to have a big party, birthday party. Going to have a lot of Mama's friends are coming from Bangkok and all over Thailand to have a birthday party and also spend some time with P. Tony. So yeah. I got home and found a ticket in the mail for me. Apparently I got a speeding ticket. So I've heard a lot of people on the internet say, oh, you can do over 120, no problem, or there's no police officers around to give tickets or anything. But my father-in-law gets them all the time, and this is my first one to get mailed at home. I got a ticket in Sakon Nakhon. The speed limit throughout Thailand is usually no more than 90 kilometers per hour. And I got one for doing 103. So when you get pulled over, if they radar you on the road, it's usually anywhere from 2 to 400, 2 to 500, depending on how fast you're going. But if they mail it to you, it's automatically 500 baht. So anyway, got to pay that. Yeah, 103 kilometers per hour. So I'm so happy you guys enjoyed the Japan trip. We had a very good time in Japan. So I told you guys I would let you know what it cost us on our trip there. So I've got it broke down a little bit here. Hang on. So our train rides, we didn't get the Suka Pass and we didn't buy the train pass. So the reasoning is because we weren't going to be spending a lot of time traveling throughout Japan because of the weather problems that they were having. So I just thought we would just pay for it as we go. And it seemed to work out fine for us. But with the Suka card, you can use it at 7-Eleven, and then the card itself is a 500 yen deposit, but you can get that back too at the end of your journey. But the train rides cost us a total of 9,770 yen. With the exchange rate that we purchased money, that we got yen from, it came out to $91.30 is what it cost us total through all the different throughout the different trains that we took. The food and the little bit of shopping that me and Paige did, we spent around about $650 US is what we spent roughly on food. So yeah, the meals were a little bit too expensive, but we didn't do anything really over the top extravagant. But we spent about $650. I say about because sometimes a little stand, I didn't get receipts on everything, and after a few cocktails, maybe I forgot to write it down. So the hotel, all the hotels, now we didn't stay in anything extremely over the top. They have a lot of gorgeous hotels and places to stay in Tokyo, but I got a lot of slack from some people about staying in a capsule and taking Paige there. We like to adventure and try new things. Paige already knew what was coming as far as hotel stays before we got there. So the capsule experience was definitely an experience we'll never forget. I don't think we'll ever make a reservation again. They make a lot of different they have a lot of different capsules types, but in Japan I was limited because I had tattoos, and a lot of the showering areas they have like a bathhouse where you share, and they didn't allow tattoos. So $672.86 was my total for 9 nights. Actually, let's see, for 8 nights in Tokyo. The airplane ticket round trip from Bangkok from Air Asia cost us $750. So all of that with maybe a rounded up a little bit higher cost us about $2,500 US for 9 days and 8 nights in Tokyo. That doesn't include our transfers here in Thailand and our stay in Bangkok. That's just our Japan trip. So yeah, about $2,500 US. Wasn't too bad. Had a great time. I'm very glad you guys enjoyed it. I got a lot of wonderful comments from you and a lot of new subscribers. Don't forget about Drew, Tokyo Drew, to check out his channel. He's a very entertaining guy. And yeah, tomorrow we're having a big party. You guys got to come along for that. Again, please subscribe. Don't forget to click like. And we're planning a lot of fun stuff here in Thailand, and I hope you guys follow us, and I'll see you guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.